Are we excited to bring this home to market? I'm Dean Jarman, Ray White Centennial Park, and this home behind me is 41 Robertson Road here in Centennial Park, some of Sydney's best real estate. Over 720 square metres of large level land. Walter Burley Griffin design home, first time offered in over 60 years. What a wonderful opportunity. I look forward to seeing you at our upcoming open homes. On behalf of Jackson Snell and myself, I'm Dean Jarman. Let's go and have a look through the home.